if you have to pick your dream 11, who would be your top contenders from Bollywood though?
Anushka, but I'll request her to bring her husband along. Shahid also, I've heard, used to play a lot of cricket, right? He's done Jersey.
Last time you spoke about the entire thing about the fillers and how you came about it, you were very clear that the entire incident. Why there is so much scrutiny about this entire vanity of how an actor is?
Because people keep asking questions.
Does it bother?
When people ask questions, yeah, it bothers.
I think I've just understood that this people enjoy making conversation like that, and for me it's as fleeting as it is for them. I think it's more entertaining, I guess, to them to have these kind of conversations. My parents never really wanted me to be an actor, but it was always my dream. So I don't think I'm living my parents' dream. I think they would have wanted, I guess, a quieter and more relaxed life for me. At least the attempt is to try and take my mother's legacy forward and to make my parents proud.
Have you always played the
No,
game
never,
or
never.
first time you held the bat, emotion kya tha?
For 2 years I was training every day. Because of my injuries I had to cut the number of balls down, and I'm the worst candidate for cricket. He said that इसे life में cricket नहीं खेलनी चाहिए क्योंकि she's very susceptible to dislocations, like it'll just pop out.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble. और आज क्रिकेट पिच पे या सिनेमा पिच पे चौके छक्के मारने के लिए we have Rajkumar and Janvi for Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What is with Mahi? I think this is the best name you could have got. I mean, instant connect. But first reaction kya tha when you got Mr. and Mrs. Mahi as a title? Come to you.
Of course, first thing, as everybody is also thinking that it's on Mahi sir's live, it is not. But first reaction was also again. But when we talk about cricket, I think the first association is Mahi. You know, he's the current favorite. We all love him. But in our case, of course, Mahi is very different. It's Mahinder and Mahima, and their nicknames are similar, which is Mahi. And that's the reason it's called Mr. and Mrs. Mahi.
The first time we had this video of yours leaked, I guess you were training for your shots somewhere. Cricket training. And the Mr. and Mrs. Mahi bas naam bahar aaya tha. And I was really like, Mahi maar raha hai, Janvi's playing cricket. I'm like, I'm going to ask her, what was your first time? Have you always played the game
never.
First time you held the bat? Emotion kya tha?
I think I held the bat on some random film set once. जब मैं बस ऐसे cute लगने के लिए, oh मैं भी मारूँगी shot. And but then I properly started training for Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. I think for 2 years I was training every day. I started with rough training. At my peak I was at some 500 balls a day, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening. And then because of my injuries I had to cut the number of balls down, and so yeah, it was quite a rigorous.
Was there ever a time you thought you couldn't do it? Because learning a new sport is always difficult.
Yeah, I think after I dislocated my second shoulder, that was a good indication. No, I went to the doctor because my first dislocation happened and I was like, okay, it was probably a fluke, I was overworked. And then after I think 3 months, my second dislocation happened. So we went to a shoulder specialist and they said that I have multi-directional instability, which means that I'm the worst candidate for cricket. He said that इसे life में cricket नहीं खेलनी चाहिए क्योंकि she's very susceptible to dislocations, like it'll just pop out. And we had done I think all of the talkie portions, all of the scenes. अभी बचा सिर्फ cricket था. So Sharan was like, अभी मैं इसे निकाल भी नहीं सकता, फंस गया उसके साथ MDI shoulders के साथ. And so then we had a strategy. Every time before I had to train or play cricket, I had to tape up my shoulders to keep it in place. And I had a cap of I think about 60 balls, but we'd reach 100 balls a day and I couldn't. I mean, although I trained quite a bit with the season ball and I tried looking like a season ball today, but he said that I couldn't play with the season ball anymore. I think they changed it to वो machine होता है ना, वो machine ball I started playing with.
Raj, बचपन में was cricket the go-to sport?
Absolutely, yeah. I think like all of us, most of our country, I'm sure, has boys especially. We lived like that. Okay, school से आती, first thing we would do is go outside and make our team, form a team, and then play gully cricket. So that was my life. हाँ?
कितनी खिड़कियाँ तोड़ी हैं?
खिड़कियाँ भी तोड़ी होंगी, I'm pretty sure. But हाँ, तंग बहुत किया है सब आंटी अंकल को, because घर में बॉल जाती है, then you ring the bell. हमारी बॉल आई है, and then दिल अरे
उसी बैट से पिटेंगे.
yeah, वो सब बहुत हुआ है. And then every Sunday there would be a big match in some, like we'd hire a ground, or not hire, actually go and play the matches in a big ground. So Sundays were for grounds and rest of the days were gully cricket.
When I saw the trailer, Abhi, what stayed was we, no matter what, we always live for our parents, their dreams. Deep down, all of us want to be that child ki, okay, if they couldn't do it, we would do it for them, or something like that. Was it ever a point in your career each where you choose to live your parents' dream, or was it always you wanted to focus जो आपका सपना था, which you are as the actors, as performers?
No, I think since I was a kid, I was pretty sure I want to be a movie actor. I want to be an actor and do this for the rest of my life. So it was never like I thought of doing something else. Since 9th, 10th, I was pretty clear, and my parents were very supportive of this idea, and they just they were there whenever I needed them.
My parents never really wanted me to be an actor, but it was always my dream. So I don't think I'm living my parents' dream. I think they would have wanted, I guess, a quieter and more relaxed life for me. But I definitely feel like at least the attempt is to try and take my mother's legacy forward and to make my parents proud.
You are. You guys are coming with Mrs. and Mahi at a time where I think theatrical in itself needs again another push. I think every 6 months we need a push. We need to do this, we need to do that, because your last success was with Babal at OTT.
Yeah.
And Shrikant has, those who have seen, it has opened to beautiful, beautiful reviews from everywhere. Do you also feel the pressure when you come with a commercial film like this? You have to hit it out of the field for the box
Well, I won't
office.
say there's no pressure at all. There's certain pressure, but then after a point you can't control it. So there's no point worrying only about that. And eventually I think film will have its own journey. And I was just talking to someone yesterday, some films might do not that well at the box office, but they would be remembered forever.
Yes, they are.
And some films might do very well at the box office, but after a
Yeah,
month,
you
nobody would
forget.
remember those films.
Yeah.
Like people still talk to me about Shahid or Trapped. Not like they were huge commercial
Shahid. I should have mentioned
successes.
Shahid as my favorite film of
That's
yours.
a
Thank you.
goosebump-inducing
But I
film.
think so. I would rather be part of films which should be talked about for many, many years to come.
That's true. Talking about the talked about part, Raj, you have been in the business for longer than Janvi, and you've always been someone. आप बोल देते हो आपसे कोई कुछ पूछे, you tell it honestly. When last time you spoke about the entire thing about the fillers and how you came about it, you were very clear that the entire incident. After that, I was also going through Janvi, your page, and I realized in between all of this, why there is so much scrutiny about this entire vanity of how an actor is, the talent, the other talents you learn for the films. We subside everything, but the vanity part of it just doesn't go away.
Because people keep asking questions.
Does it bother?
When people ask questions, yeah, it bothers.
Yeah, because on top of it, what also acts strange is the entire deepfake scenario. Then you see the more added part of it.
Yeah,
How
we
do
would,
you-
of course, it's always nice when people talk about and about your work, because that's what you live for, that's what you have dedicated your life to, yeah. Apart from that, yeah, it's none of my business or anybody else's business.
But it's still, it becomes the headline business for no reason. Does it bother you also, Janvi? The vanity of it?
No, I think I've just understood that this people enjoy making conversation like that, and for me it's as fleeting as it is for them. I think it's more entertaining, I guess, to them to have these kind of conversations. But I think especially when you have a portfolio of work like Raj, I none of this matters really. You're not remembered for these headlines. You're remembered for what you do on celluloid. And
I wanted to take this opportunity to bring this because when I saw the film, what stayed with me was the film. But when we were doing the promotions and I saw the interviews, and I thought it was a complete contrast. So I thought definitely
Eventually,
take
it's
the
your work which
opportunity
would
to-
speak, nothing else.
And it's beautiful. And I know we are short on time, but I have something sweet for them. I hope they like it. Since it's cricket, since it's about the cricket films, giving you cue lines of few films. Can you guess them? They're the cricket films.
Sure,
Quintessential.
we'll try.
If you can.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this one. Okay. First. Oh, you have to win, either of you.
Yeah,
You
of
don't have to be supportive to each other in this
okay,
one.
okay.
Okay.
Also on different teams.
Okay.
Different teams. Yeah. Team A and Team B.
Okay, you go
Mahi
first.
versus Mahi. Let's begin.
Okay.
Okay. A cricketer who quits cricket initially but decides to revive his career. and-
Jersey?
One.
Yeah, okay.
Raj, thoda jaldi. A film about three friends who open a
Poche.
sky.
Poche.
A film about a deaf and a mute boy who dreams
Iqbal.
about. I love
Suddenly
it.
you've gotten competitive, huh? The
Raj
last
is-
quiz you didn't care so
Because I've
much.
come back. Yeah.
Raj is like, kaise? Okay. In Hyderabad, a young girl falls for the sport of cricket. As she grows up, she struggles and the trials.
Mithali's biopic.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what it's called. Mithali.
Mithali's biopic. No?
Ghumar? What is it? No.
Ghumar.
No, that's not
Ghumar.
Mithali's
Yeah.
biopic. What is
It's a 2-word film, chalo.
The Tapsi has played it.
Tapsi
na?
has played the lead.
Ah.
But you almost got this, so I'll give it to you. Shabash Mithu.
Shabash. Mithu.
Shabash Mithu, yes.
Okay. Story of a guy who loves to play cricket even though his father hates the sport. As he gets selected to play for an English team, he must choose between his dreams and his father's wishes.
Is this that Akshay Kumar film that you...
Patiala House.
Sharing point. Okay. 3 all, huh?
Okay.
Oh. Somebody has to win, please, huh? Okay. A film about an orphan kid who finds a bat infused with powers that make him a star player of the Indian cricket team.
What? This is a film?
About an orphan kid?
This
Film?
is sounding like Shakalaka Boom Boom, but with a bat.
Nice one. A film about an orphan kid who finds a bat infused with powers that make him a star player of Indian cricket team.
This sounds like the film that Sharan's going to make after Mahi.
No idea.
It's called Chain Kuli Ki Main Kuli.
Oh,
Yes,
acha.
I think I saw it as a kid.
You must have. Okay. A pre-independence movie that's seen
Lagan.
4-3. We are going good. A boy from Ranchi aspires to play
Dhoni.
cricket for 4-4. I am loving it for once. I don't have to do anything here. This is just flowing easily. Veera, a cricket crazy Punjabi girl, wishes to enter the
Dil
Dil
Bole
Bole
Harippa.
Harippa. I said it first.
Lagan also we said it together, but she gave it to you.
ठीक है फिर एक फाइनल टाई ब्रेकर ले लेते हैं चलो लास्ट ठीक है जो अभी क्या स्कोर है वैसे मैं ही स्कोर भूल गई
5-5.
5-5 चलो लास्ट वन हाँ लेट्स सी A man who belongs to a middle class family becomes an eminent cricketer. However, the accusations of match fixing.
Azhar.
Yeah. That Salman.
Nahi,
No, this is
Imran
that Imran Hashmi one, sorry.
Nice.
Yeah,
Raj
he
wins
wins.
Lastly, tell me, as we are saying bye, if you have to pick your dream 11, who would be your top contenders from Bollywood though?
Oh,
No,
from Bollywood.
you're
Oh.
not picking any cricketers.
Acha.
If you have to make your dream 11 team,
So
give me
I know some of them who are friends who play cricket really well.
Go
like
ahead.
Saqib.
And actor,
That
actresses
was
mix.
not same. What
No,
about...
I'm coming.
I need
to
a
you.
mixed lot, actor, actresses. One
the
team. huh?
Saqib, Apar, I know they really played well and they love it. Ritesh Bhau, Deshmukh. Who else plays it well? I don't know.
Me.
वो तो गर्ल्स टीम में होगा ना? She's
नहीं,
saying
नहीं, mixed
अच्छा होगा okay
team.
हाँ जानवी of course. Janvi will open actually. Yeah.
Janvi, your names. Put some names. huh?
Raj.
Sharan.
Sharan.
From the
He'll be
industry,
the
yeah.
wicket keeper. Sami, I think she's also played at a national
Yes.
level.
Yeah.
And
Take Tapsi also.
yeah, Tapsi also. Yeah.
Give me 3 more now. We are on 8.
Anushka, but I'll request her to bring her husband along.
So will we.
And Shahid also, I've heard, used to play a lot of cricket, right? He's done Jersey.
1 left.
नहीं 11 हो गया.
10 हुआ है.
क्यों 8 के बाद अनुष्का, विराट एंड शाहिद.
विराट तो सिर्फ वो लेकर आ रही हैं साथ
अब
में.
लेकर आएंगे तो खिलाएंगे भी ना हम.
Yeah, ऐसे थोड़ी ना देखने के लिए थोड़ी लाएंगे.
मैं तो देखने की बात कर रही थी.
No,
That
विराट भी
was-
तो he is a great actor. I think he does it really well.
Yeah,
in
he's
the
actually really good in all of those TVs. He's a
commercials. Yeah,
very
he's
good actor.
So he's an actor also, and then he can play.
So we have our Dream 11 team ready and wishing you all the best that
Thank
you
you
hit it
so
out of the park with this one.
Thank
you
you.
so much for doing
Thank
this.
you.
Thanks a lot.
Hi guys, this is Janvi Kapoor
Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao,
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Bubble.